Paneer Tacos and Asian Slaw. We're going to take Latin America and South Asia and bring them together, and they are much closer cousins than we think. Now look, if you've seen some of my previous recipes, you'll know I am totally into my cheese. I've just got some cubed paneer, Indian cheese. It's like India's answer to halloumi, that squeaky cheese. But this is the kind of cheese that you have to cook. It's not the kind of thing that you snack on with crackers or anything like that. But when you put it together with spices and the jamminess of mango as well, oh my word, it is just insane. I've got a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree. Mango chutney. It's going to cling to our paneer. So it's going to coat our paneer and it's going to give us all that lovely jamminess. That's kind of really what we're looking for. I'm just going to slosh in some ginger and garlic paste. Now I'm going to go in little bits of vegetable oil just to kind of slacken things up, because the oil is also going to help us cook all of the ingredients as well. Then we add a little bit of chili powder. We want a little bit of firepower in there, but you know, you can just kind of notch it up or down. Turmeric as well. Oh my goodness, this is like a superfood recipe. Chili in there, great for our metabolism. Going in with the turmeric as well, amazing for joints and all of that sort of stuff, and amazing for our brains. A little bit of soy sauce as well. Look, the thing that I want you to do is not just watch these films, but is to make the recipes yourself as well. And if you like it, share, like and subscribe. I'm going to go in with a little bit of salt as well. And then to that mix, I'm going to add some cumin seeds. As soon as you add cumin seeds to any recipe, it instantly becomes Indian. So, into our pan, we've got our paneer. We go in with a handful of red and green peppers. And to the party, some red onions as well. What I'm going to do is when I add the red onions, before I put the mix in, I'm just going to break them apart so it kind of gets mixed in with all the other ingredients rather than big chunks of onion. So now I'm just going to spoon over the mix. I love it. It's doing exactly the thing that I would hope, and it just clings to all of those ingredients. And we're going to roast this fabulous mix of ingredients for about sort of 25 to 30 minutes. I kind of know when it's done because the edges start to get lovely and caramelized. So whilst our mango paneer tray bake is in the oven, we're going to get to work on an Asian slaw. Now, I love doing these kind of slaws. One, because, you know, kind of when you take ingredients like this, look, Pat, take a look at that. You know, it just fills your heart with so much joy. Why? Because it's like eating the rainbow. Got some carrots. I'm going to use about half a red onion. Look at that. I mean, isn't nature amazing? Look how beautiful that is. Looks amazing. Okay, so that goes in as well. So this is a great little side to things like our turkey burgers or our pakoras as well. Brussels sprout pakoras. They are a thing of legend. So look, check out those recipes as well. Going to take some cumin seeds, they go in, and then we're going to give that just a mix around with our Greek yogurt. Now, to also cut through some of these other flavours, I am going to add just a little bit of fruit into the mix. And the other thing as well is we do need a little bit of the Asian sun in here. Life is good. And then over the top, just a squeeze of some lime juice as well. Pat, you've got to have a go on this. What do we think, Pat? How's that? Nod for texture, shake for taste. That's good. I like that.
Very good. Like lime.
That's good, isn't it? Just kind of cuts through. My nose is twitching. That means I think our mango paneer tray bake is cooked to perfection. Okay, that looks great. I'm really happy with that. And I'm really happy with that for a few different reasons. One, remember I talked about that sort of caramelization, right? So what we've got here is all of that going on. So where you've got the sweetness, the sugariness coming out of the mango chutney, and so that starts to caramelize. So that means so much texture in this recipe. Now, I'm just going to layer up, just over the top, just some red onions. Get a little bit of sharpness that comes through because they've been in with a little bit of vinegar. You get some acidity that comes through. You get some sweetness as well. And then all against this backdrop of gentle rolling heat. Well, there you have it. That's my mango paneer tacos alongside our Asian slaw. It will hit the back of the net any day of the week.